home. Say I home.
I'm home.
You play pirate. Don't do that. They've been home for like...
Mama.
Yeah?
There's safety board.
Oh, I see. They've been home for like 4.5, 5 hours. We've just been playing and stuff, so I didn't bother filming. I'm just trying to sort my fucking house out. This rug, I just bought this rug. Did I show you my new rug? Did I show you? I can't remember. I got a new rug for my bedroom. There was just a really big gap and it was weird, but it just keeps moving. It's annoying. I got some knee socks from Amazon. I got a new bodysuit, which is nice. I can't remember if I showed you my painting or not. This is my newest one. I love it so much. Like, it's one of my favourite ones that I've ever done. And I know it's not going to be for everybody, and that's cool, because we can't all like the same stuff, because that would be boring as fuck. Girls are downstairs. Mika's bedroom is already a mess. I'm absolutely shattered. Yeah. I'm not really sure what we're going to do for the rest of the day. They're all going to go to bed early, I think, because apparently Fox has not slept well whilst he was at Ben's mum's. He said on Friday night he was awake from like 1 o'clock until 4 in the morning. And then yesterday apparently he screamed for 3 hours. So I want to try and get him back on track so that half term goes as smoothly as possible, because I can't be doing half term by myself when they're being butt faces. So yeah, I'm gonna just read my book while he's playing in his bedroom, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, it's much later. 6 o'clock. Fox is already asleep. He is absolutely shattered. I had to give giving everyone showers, so he had a shower, and then I put him in his bed, and I give him his tablet, and he has his biscuit, and he has his dummy and his juice and everything ready for him, and he just sits in his bed while I like help the girls wash their hair and everything, and he just falls asleep. So I've just he falls asleep holding his tablet, bless him. So I just take that off him, and he's down now for the night, hopefully, because Ben said he had a horrendous sleep on Friday, and the girl said he was up again last night as well. So hopefully, now that he's back in his own bed, he'll be in a better routine. Yeah, the girls are downstairs. They're just watching a little bit of telly before bed. It's half term tomorrow, but I am still getting them to go to bed early, because I think Aria looks absolutely knackered, and I think just the to and fro in between the houses just tires them out a little bit. So I'm going to get them in bed by 7. I might do some painting tonight, I'm not sure. I bought myself some knee socks. I'll be really careful because I haven't got any trousers on. But I bought myself some knee socks, which I love. Got them off Amazon for like £4, something like that. I'll link them down below, but they're really nice and soft, and they fit around my thunder thighs, so that's nice. I say knee socks, they're not, they're thigh highs. Yeah, I'm now going to edit, and then I'm going to try and finish my book. I bought another one, and we still need to work out how we're going to do this book club. I think I might start like a little either Facebook group maybe, or an Instagram, probably Instagram because I don't really like Facebook. Maybe start like an Instagram page just for books, and then we can do it on there. Yeah, I'll try and work it out how we're going to do it, but yeah, I'm going to get on with the rest of my day. The kids have already trashed the downstairs of the house, like it's proper soul destroying, like tidy, everything was so nice, and they come in and they're just like little fucking whirlwinds, just trash everything. So yeah, tomorrow I think we're seeing my friend Rosie. Tuesday I don't think we might go and see my mum. Wednesday we're going to a play park with a couple of the school mums and their kids. Thursday, Ben has now said he's coming round to take the kids out for the day. Friday, I feel like I'm doing something Friday as well. I feel like I might be seeing my friend Jodie on Friday. I've got to see my friend Lizzie at some point as well. And then the weekend, I think Ben is not, I don't think Ben's having them all at the weekend. I think he says he's got plans all weekend. So I don't know what we're going to do. Mika wants to have a sleepover with one of her friends. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to edit and I will talk to you tomorrow.